Hi friends, are you using your microwave regularly? Then it is very essential to clean the interiors as well as the exteriors regularly for a better performance as well as the long life of the appliance. So in this video, I'm going to show how to take care of your Panasonic microwave oven. Before getting started with any cleaning, it is better to switch off the oven. So if you use the microwave oven regularly, the control panel will definitely get dirty. So this can be cleaned by using a dry cloth like this. Never use any detergent or any other cleaning liquid because this is the most important part in the microwave oven. For the external cleaning, other than the control panel, the door and the top and sides also have to be cleaned regularly. So you can just clean it with a dry cloth. The sides and all can be cleaned with just a dry cloth. So when it comes to the door, you can see that the door has got a mirror finish. It is good because it gives a good appearance, and it is bad because even the smallest of dirt is clearly visible. The handle is the main area which needs to be cleaned regularly. So you can clean with soapy water and with dry cloth, but you have to take care that water doesn't seep inside. This front has to be cleaned regularly for appeal, and the handle has to be cleaned for comfort and also for looks. It's a good practice to clean the glass turntable regularly because you're going to use the microwave regularly. The turntable can get dirty because of food spillage or liquid, and this can be done by cleaning with mild soap liquid using a sponge under running water, or a safer option is washing it in the dishwasher if you have one. I personally prefer washing it in the dishwasher because my turntable is very big and heavy also. So to avoid breakage while hand wash, it can slip from my hand and break. So to avoid that, I always wash it in the dishwasher. Oh yeah, my turntable is in the dishwasher. I'll get it. So the next thing required to be cleaned, that is the floor cavity as well as this roller ring. So this roller ring can get dirty often. So this needs to be washed because there can be accumulation of dirt here, and which during operation it can cause noise. So to avoid that excessive noise, you have to clean this once in a while. So this can be cleaned by using mild soap water with a sponge. But though you clean this is the important part, that is below these rollers, because this is where the dirt accumulates, and this is what touches the floor cavity of the oven, and the turntable rotates on this, so it causes noise. So to avoid that, this has to be cleaned regularly, and this you can do with soapy water and rinse it under running water. So wipe the bottom surface with mild detergent and hot water. Here, though it is clean, I'm going to show how it is to be done. So luckily I've got this Philips kettle, and hot water is there because it is in the keep warm position. So I'll take hot water and a drop of soap liquid and dip a sponge. So very little. So the water is hot, mild soap water, and with that I can wipe the surface. So this is only for the floor cavity and not anywhere else. This is just plain sponge, rinse sponge with which I am wiping first, and then you can wipe it with a dry cloth. So once this is done, you have to carefully place back the roller ring as well as the turntable, and they have to be fixed in position properly. I'll show that as well. So I'll now place the roller ring, then the turntable. And now I'll take out the turntable from this. You can see it is thoroughly cleaned. Now the tricky part is placing this properly. So at one point it will lock. So finally, for the most important cleaning care, which most of my viewers have asked, is the cleaning of the internal walls and the roof. When you use grill, convection or combi modes regularly, it is inevitable that food splatters and the grease from the food spreads on the inner walls or on the roof, which needs to be cleaned regularly. And for that you can follow this method. So for this, all you need is a micro-safe bowl, water and lemon. I'll fill water here from this V-Guard filter. You can even use tap water, but I prefer to use drinking water. So just take 2 to 3 glasses of water. I'm just taking approximately half the bowl. And you can even use vinegar. I always use lemon. Somehow I prefer lemon. Lemon as well as vinegar, as you all know, cleans and removes grease. So here I have taken only half a lemon because the cavity inside is not very dirty. So for this cleaning, I'm going to switch on the microwave oven. All this while I was just showing with the oven off. Now I'm switching on. And now I let the water boil for 4-5 minutes. I'll keep for 4 minutes because there's not much grease and I've kept little water only. I'll start. So you can adjust the timing based on the capacity of the microwave oven. Basically, the water has to boil. This lemon water steam is what decreases the interiors. So you can see the water is boiling and there is steam everywhere. So I'll just switch off and then wipe the inside thoroughly. So I've just switched off the microwave oven and then I'm wiping it with a dry cloth. If it is very greasy, you may have to keep for at least 8-10 minutes. So similarly, I wipe it here underneath as well. So all this you have to do after switching off only. Don't ever do it while it is on. And either you have to increase the timing for more steam to be formed, or you have to do it regularly if there is more grease. Hope you liked watching this video and find it beneficial. If I have not covered any topic, please write to me in the comment section and also share your experiences with this microwave oven. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next video. Till then, it's bye from Bhuvana.